Hello viewers, welcome to Shiksha. Today we will discuss about most important MCQs on horticulture. So let's start. Question 1. King of arid fruits is, and the options are option A, bear, option B, date palm, option C, lychee, and option D, apple. And the right answer is option A, bear. Question 2. Queen of beverage is, options are option A, tea, option B, coconut water, option C, coffee, and option D, cocoa. And the right answer is option A, tea. Question 3. Queen of fruits is, options are option A, mango, option B, lychee, option C, banana, and option D, apple. And the right answer is option B, lychee. Question 4. Name the most important fruit in India that is used in processing industry. Options are option A, pineapple, option B, grapes, option C, mango, and option D, apple. And the right answer is option A, pineapple. Question 5. Pungency of cabbage leaves is due to, options are option A, oleoresins, option B, cinegreen, option C, solanine, and option D, isocyanate. And the right answer is option B, cinegreen. Question 6. The leading variety of pomegranate which is cultivated in India. Options are option A, ruby, option B, bhagava, option C, jyoti, and option B, arakta. And the right answer is option B, bhagava. Question 7. Swarnarupa is the early variety of, options are option A, mango, option B, apple, option C, lychee, and option D, banana. The right answer is option C, lychee. Question 8. National Research Center for Citrus is located at, the options are option A, Pune, option B, Nagpur, option C, Srinagar, and option D, Solan. And the right answer is option B, Nagpur. Question 9. Weight of short suckers generally used for sowing. The options are option A, 500 to 750 gram, option B, 300 to 350 gram, option C, 450 to 500 gram, and option D, 750 to 1000 gram. And the right answer is option A, 500 to 750 gram. Question 10. Cricket ball and murabba are the two popular varieties of, option A, apple, option B, sapota, option C, orange, and option D, bear. And the right answer is option B, sapota. Question 11. Central Potato Research Institute is located at, option A, Calicut, option B, Bangalore, option C, Nagpur, and option D, Kufri. And the right answer is option D, Kufri. Question 12. National Horticulture Board is located at option A. Nasik, option B. Puttur, option C. Gurgaon, and option D. Varanasi. And the right answer is option C. Gurgaon. Question 13. Edible part of pineapple is option A. Bracts, option B. Pericarp, option C. Mesocarp, and option D. Thalamus. And the right answer is option A. Bracts. Question 14. Arka Harit and Pusa Vishesh is the varieties of option A. Rich gourd, option B. Bitter gourd, option C. Pumpkin, and option D. Watermelon. And the right answer is option B. Bitter gourd. Question 15. Orca aruna and Orca punit is spongy tissue resistance variety of option A. Banana, option B. Lychee, option C. Mango, and option D. Grapes. And the right answer is option C. Mango. Question 16. Pungency of garlic is due to option A. Solanine, option B. Diallyl disulfide, option C. Sinigrin, and option D. Anthocyanin. And the right answer is option B. Diallyl disulfide. Question 17. Black teeth of mango is due to the deficiency of option A. Manganese, option B. Boron, option C. Molybdenum, and option D. Nitrogen. The right answer is option B. Boron. Question 18. Poinsett and Pusa Sanjog are the varieties of option A. Cumin, option B. Potato, option C. Cucumber, and option B. Coriander. And the right answer is option C. Cucumber. Question 19. National Research Center for Medicinal and Aromatic Plants is located at option A. Solan, option B. Calicut, option C. Anand, and option D. Pune. And the right answer is option C. Anand. Question 20. National Horticulture Board is located at option A. Nasik, option B. Varanasi, option C. Himachal, and option D. Gurgaon. And the right answer is option D. Gurgaon. Question 21. Pineapple belongs to the family option A. Tiliaceae, option B. Rutaceae, option C. Bromeliaceae, and option D. Annonaceae. And the right answer is option C. Bromeliaceae. So these are some of the questions on horticulture. If you like our videos, do share with your friends. To stay connected, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching.